Advocate Vishnu Jain is the petitioner of the Hindu side. He joins me on India First. Vishnu Jain, welcome on India Today. I want to understand from you, sir, what does this survey actually mean? How does this get translated into action on ground? And why was a survey by the Archeological Survey of India actually required?
See, the bone of contention in the trial court and before the trial court is this, that whether the structure which is sitting at the site in question, whether this was constructed by Aurangzeb or it is existing prior to Aurangzeb. And there are many areas in this entire structure which are sealed by artificial walls. So those artificial walls, what is behind those artificial walls has to be investigated. The central dome and beneath the central domes, the Hindu Mandir Shikhar has to be investigated. The western wall has to be investigated. The ground which is behind the western wall, that has to be investigated. The pillars have to be investigated. So all these are the scope and jurisdictions of the ASI, which will conduct this survey. And ASI is an expert body and the premium agency of this country. They will conduct this survey and submit a report before the Honorable.
Fair enough. What's your contention? You know, you are saying that artificial walls were constructed. Where were these artificial walls constructed? And do you mean that these walls were constructed after the temple, if there was a temple, after that was demolished or a mosque constructed? Bring us details. What's behind these artificial walls? Because even in the past, there has been a survey, an advocate survey. What did that reveal?
See, that the scope of the advocate survey which was conducted earlier was very limited. We have to just get the the situation before the Honorable Court. But the situation of this survey will be different, because if there is something behind these artificial walls, that can be ascertained by way of modern techniques, by way of ground penetration radar, excavation and various other methods. So this is all speculation. When the ASI will visit the spot, we will come to know that there are how many walls which are artificial.
Okay.
Walls by which the truth is being sealed. And after all these things, when the report of the ASI will be before court, then I'll be in a better position to explain it. But as of now, ASI survey will be conducted and rest everything is speculation.
Okay. Okay. So what you're saying is that there is something behind those artificial walls that were constructed later, and you are saying it's only after the ASI survey will the truth emerge. But is there a time frame for this entire process? The report has to be submitted in court by the 4th of August. If we were to compare this to what happened at the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi site, there the ASI survey took quite some time.
See, in Ram Mandir case, you cannot equate the SI survey of Ram Mandir case with this survey, because there the area was a very large area was involved in Ram Mandir case for conducting the SI survey. Here the area is pretty less, and therefore whether what are the trenches, where the trenches will be there, whether the GPR survey will be there, all these things are speculations. So I would not like to dwell into speculations. Let first ASI start their survey, and then I will keep you giving updates as to how the survey is proceeding.
Fair enough, Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain, for joining me here on India First. Many thanks.